Welcome to our journey through history, where we dive into the dramatic tale of the fall of Constantinople. Picture this: the Byzantine Empire, once a powerhouse of culture and trade, is like that overconfident kid in school who thinks they can dodge every dodgeball. But alas, in 1453 the empire faced a fierce opponent, Ottoman Sultan Mehmed II, armed with cannons and a serious attitude. This event didn't just mark the end of an era, it reshaped the world, shifting power dynamics and paving the way for the Renaissance. So, the Byzantine Empire, the eastern half of the Roman Empire, was a dazzling beacon of culture and politics for over 1,000 years. Known for its stunning architecture, like the Hagia Sophia, and its rich artistic heritage, it was a hub of learning and innovation. Key figures like Emperor Justinian, who codified Roman law, and Empress Theodora, a champion for women's rights, left indelible marks on history. The empire served as a vital bridge between East and West, preserving ancient knowledge while influencing the Renaissance. Its fall in 1453 marked the end of an era, but its legacy continues to resonate today. The Ottoman Empire emerged in the late 13th century, rapidly expanding under visionary leaders like Mehmed II, also known as the Conqueror. With a keen military strategy and innovative use of artillery, the Ottomans held significant advantages over the Byzantines, who were struggling with internal strife and dwindling resources. Mehmed II was motivated by a desire to unify the Islamic world and establish Istanbul as a cultural and political capital. The conquest of Constantinople in 1453 was not just a military goal. It symbolized the rise of a new power and the end of the Byzantine legacy, forever altering the course of history. In 1453, the siege of Constantinople unfolded over a dramatic 53 days, beginning on April 6th and culminating on May 29th. The Ottomans, led by Mehmed II, employed innovative military technology, including massive cannons that could breach the city's formidable walls. Key battles, such as the assault on the Theodosian walls, showcased the Ottomans' relentless tactics. Meanwhile, the Byzantine defenders, under Emperor Constantine V, relied on their knowledge of the terrain and fortified positions, desperately attempting to repel the invaders. Despite their valiant efforts, the overwhelming numbers and advanced weaponry of the Ottomans ultimately led to the fall of this historic city. The final assault on Constantinople on May 29, 1453, was a harrowing climax to the siege. As the Ottomans breached the walls, chaos erupted, and the defenders faced overwhelming odds. Betrayal and internal conflict plagued the Byzantine ranks, with some factions questioning their loyalty and resolve, which weakened their defense. The emotional toll on the defenders was immense. Many felt a profound sense of despair as they realized their beloved city was on the brink of collapse. The fall of Constantinople not only marked the end of an era, but also left a lasting psychological scar on those who fought valiantly to protect it. The fall of Constantinople led to its transformation into Istanbul, the new capital of the Ottoman Empire, symbolizing a significant cultural shift. The city became a melting pot of diverse cultures, blending Eastern and Western influences. For Europe and the Christian world, the conquest was a wake-up call, prompting fears of Ottoman expansion and leading to a re-evaluation of military strategies. The loss of this key Christian stronghold also spurred the Renaissance, as scholars fled to the West, bringing ancient texts and knowledge. Politically, the conquest shifted power dynamics, establishing the Ottomans as a dominant force and reshaping the geopolitical landscape for centuries. The fall of Constantinople in 1453 had profound historical significance, influencing future conflicts and the rise of empires. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow history enthusiasts. Your engagement helps us bring more stories to life, so join us on this adventure.